Dear students, welcome to back my channel. I am teaching you about human brain. So, in central nervous system, it consists of brain and spinal cord. The brain is enclosed in the brain box or cranium or skull. In cranium or skull, this is brain. The spinal cord runs through. This is spinal cord. This is runs through backbone. This is runs through backbone, and brain is in cranium. Brain. The human brain is highly developed. It is large side cavity of skull down cranium. Its weight is 1325 gram. 1325 gram. The inner lining of cranium is lined by thick membrane durameter. Inner lining is called durameter. A brain. Okay. Next, its weight is 1325 gram. The brain itself is covered by a vascular thin non-nervous layer, the pyometer. The space between the durameter and pyometer is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. The fluid between durameter and pyometer is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. This protects the brain from external injuries. The brain is divisible into three regions: A. forebrain, B. midbrain, and C. hindbrain. In forebrain, there are olfactory lobes. In forebrain, there are olfactory lobes and cerebrum and diencephalon. Cerebrum in forebrain and olfactory lobes and diencephalon. This is cerebrum, this is, and olfactory lobes mean smell and diencephalon. Okay. Next, midbrain. In midbrain, cerebellum, corpora quadrigemina. Okay. Next, hindbrain. In hindbrain consists of three parts: cerebellum and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum and medulla oblongata. This is, and hypothalamus pons. Okay. This is hindbrain. In brain there are three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. In forebrain, olfactory lobes, cerebrum and diencephalon. In midbrain, cerebral protuberance, corpora quadrigemina, and hindbrain, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. The medulla, pons, midbrain, and diencephalon are collectively called as brain stem. This is medulla, pons, and midbrain, and diencephalon. All of them are covered by cerebrum and cerebellum. All are covered by cerebrum and cerebellum. In brain, there are cerebellum, there are pituitary gland center, okay, master gland, hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, which is the part of brain stem. In grey matter and white matter, midbrain. This is midbrain. This is cerebellum and this is spinal cord. They are hindbrain. These are structure of brain. Its weight is 1325 gram. It is covered with a covered with cranium, and there are two types of lining. Inner lining is called inner lining and outer lining. Space between durameter and pyometer. Space between durameter and pyometer, there are some fluid is present. This is called cerebrospinal fluid, which protect brain from external injuries. Okay, thanks for watching video.